Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is officially day 6 of my cut. So I figured I would elaborate on some of the things that I'm doing and tell you, even though it's not a full 7 days, my weight loss, what's going on. So here we go. Okay, so day 6. The first 2-3 days, I won't lie, I had a headache that was like, felt like somebody had this tight vice around my head. I didn't know if that meant low blood sugar or if I wasn't hydrating myself enough, because I found that I wasn't really thirsty for some strange reason. I wasn't drinking as much as I normally do. So I was a little like, you know, sort of like that keto flu feeling. I definitely had that. And it's strange because my carbohydrates are up, my protein is up, and yeah, so I don't know where that came from, but I am legit eating like a full-blown paleo diet right now. Only lean meats, only healthy fat through oils and peanut butter, only the natural peanut butter, just peanuts, and any kind of nut, really, cashews, whatever. And my carbs, literally for the entire time that I've been doing this, the last few days, have been spinach and broccoli, and pretty much that's it. So my protein right now is up to, drum roll please, 180 grams. Now, whoa, that's a lot of protein. I'm normally not even close to that. But the reason behind it is because I'm trying to lose body fat while keeping the lean muscle. You have to keep your protein way up high in order to maintain the muscle when you're losing body fat. It's the only way to do it. The only way to lose body fat and maintain the muscle is to jack up your protein, according to science. So, and you know, I'm the experiment. So my protein is at about 180 grams a day. I am having 6 meals a day, and with those 6 meals, 5 of them include 2 cups of veggies. That can be asparagus, spinach, broccoli, green peppers only, because red, yellow, and orange have higher sugar. Can't have carrots. I can definitely have some bok choy, you know, the typical keto vegetables, cruciferous ones. Cauliflower, I'm staying away from. Reason behind it is when I have higher protein, I get very gassy and bloated. My veggies are way up from what I'm normally used to. So I don't want to include cauliflower because that makes me so gassy. And no offense, I don't want to be blowing anyone out of my house. I'm going to be honest. So I'm staying away from cauliflower right now. My fat sources come from olive oil, macadamia nut oil, avocado, and nuts, any kind of nuts, and only nut butter that have the nut as the only ingredient, and some salt. So pretty much that would be peanut butter is my fat for pretty much half the meals, and the other half I add some either olive oil or avocado oil, or no coconut oil though. Coconut oil, no. So let me think, what else? Let me think. Yeah, I think so. Did I cover? Let's see. So protein, I'm having lean chicken breast, no chicken thighs, none of that. Purely lean, 90% or higher. So lean chicken breast, lean ground turkey, shrimp, salmon, fish. I know the salmon does have a little bit of extra fat in it, but it's the good fat, so heart healthy fat. So I'm allowed to have that. I do have 2 protein shakes every day. One while training, I have half of a protein shake and the other half after I work out. And then one at night with some peanut butter and a half a banana. Oh, and you know, I look forward to that every single night. It's insane how much I love that. So that's just a little bit. Now the weight loss. So today's day 6 officially, and I am down 1.2 pounds, which I'm thrilled about because Jess wants me slow losing. So we're only aiming for 1 pound a week. That is like the max that I'm supposed to be losing, and the reason behind it is because I don't want to lose the muscle. Trying to lose the fat. Sometimes if we knock our calories way down and our macros way down, we have a tendency to lose water weight and muscle. We want to keep the muscle and we want to lose some of the body fat. So 1 pound a week max if I go over like I'm at right now, but he said the first week can definitely be water. if I start to progress higher than a pound a week, we're going to add a little bit more of the good fat into the diet. So anyway, let me think. Carbs. Aside from the vegetables, I'm allowed to have, what am I up to now? Like 100 carbs, 125 carbs a day. That is just some oats, sweet potato, regular potato, red potato. I can have, I can have whole wheat English muffin, the light kind, which has been so much fun because on keto, we don't do that. So it's amazing that with all this heavy lifting and working out, like I can actually eat this stuff because I started keto to lose weight because I was having such a hard time doing that. And my life was just revolved around trying to lose the body fat. And so I stumbled on keto and researched it and have been doing it for the last few years. So this is all new to me, and it has just been quite the journey so far. And I love it because I feel so good, guys. I feel so good. I mean, I am allowed to have certain fruit and I'm allowed to have certain carbs. And I don't know, it was sort of like missing, but keto is still a big part of me. And even though right now I'm not on it, I'm sure I will be at some point. But right now, this is my focus. I'm enjoying it. I'm sleeping well. I have tremendous energy. I just feel really whole and complete right now. And I guess it comes from the vitamins and the minerals and the micronutrients, as well as the macronutrients and the training. It's just, I feel the best I felt in so long. So anyway, that's my update. If you have any questions, leave them below. I will continue to track my progress and tell you guys what's going on. And that's about it. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Stay focused. All right. I love you guys. Bye.